So the monsoons are finally here, and being a Mumbaiker, it's my responsibility to hit Lonavala at least once this season. I'm gonna hit it 10 times, so that's a entirely different story. But today we are going to Korigad Fort, and it's 6 a.m. in the morning, so let's roll.
So we started off from Mumbai, took the Mumbai-Pune expressway and reached Lonavala in no time. Then we took the Lonavala-Ambi Valley road, which passes through hotspots like Bhushi Dam and Lions Point and leads you straight to the base village Peth Shahapur, from where you can pay and park your vehicle and begin the trek.
We have reached the foothills of Korigad Fort. We have to climb all the way up to the top, and it's gonna take an hour, I guess. So yeah, it's gonna be a tiring journey. Let's see. Initially there's a straight road, and after like 10 minutes we begin with the steps. I don't know, there are around 1,000 steps, and it gets really tiring. So I don't know, we've completed around 40% of the trek. We have reached at the top of the fort. It took us around 40 to 45 minutes. It was really tiring, but it's very windy up here. There's a lot of fog, there's no rain, that's a good thing. And the views are just pretty amazing. Just 1 minute ago, it was so sunny up here. All it took was just a minute, and everything is foggy. Everything. Can't even see what's on the other side. So it's really amazing.